Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Our today recipe is Golgappa recipe. So for this recipe, you have to add 1 cup suji, and then you have to add 1 cup all-purpose flour, means maida. Then add salt according to your taste, and mix it well and make a proper dough. Then you have to cover it for 15 minutes. You can also do it with wet cloth. After 15 minutes, make a proper roti. Then heat the oil properly and add one by one and fry it on a high flame. And it's done and it's ready to eat.